Welcome to part 2 of our journey through Spain. Today we leave the arid plains of the south behind and enter España Verde, the lush, rugged, and breathtaking northern coast. Our first stop is the Picos de Europa National Park. Here, glacial lakes sit high in the mountains, reflecting the massive limestone peaks like a perfect mirror. Walking through the Cares Gorge is an experience like no other, a path carved directly into the heart of a limestone canyon, offering views that are as terrifying as they are beautiful. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We move toward the coast to San Sebastián, a city of Belle Epoque elegance and world-renowned gastronomy. The narrow streets of the Old Town are a paradise for food lovers, where every bar counter is a canvas for the artistic and delicious pintaxos. In Bilbao, the industrial past has given way to architectural wonder. The titanium curves of the Guggenheim Museum reflect the city's modern spirit. This city is a study in transformation, where avant-garde designs like the Zubizuri Bridge stand side by side with historic quarters. Along the Basque coast, the Earth's history is written in the vertical strata of the Fleisch Cliffs, a landscape so dramatic it feels otherworldly. Many travelers follow the Camino del Norte, a pilgrimage path that hugs the coastline, passing through quiet fishing villages and lush forests. The journey culminates in Santiago de Compostela, where the historic cathedral stands as the spiritual heart of the region. For over 1,000 years, pilgrims have gathered here, their arrival marked by the sight of these majestic stone spires. The surrounding city is a labyrinth of granite streets and historic squares, where the sound of bagpipes often fills the misty air. Heading east toward Catalonia, we find the Costa Brava, the rugged coast, where the Mediterranean takes on a wilder, more dramatic character. Villages like Cadaqués have long inspired artists with their bright white houses and narrow stone-paved alleys. The Camí de Ronda coastal path offers endless vistas of rocky cliffs and secret beaches, accessible only by foot. In Girona, we explore one of the best-preserved Jewish quarters in Europe, where narrow stone passages lead to hidden courtyards. Further inland, the sacred mountain of Montserrat rises with its unique, serrated peaks and its ancient monastery. From its heights, the views stretch across Catalonia, a landscape of deep spirituality and natural wonder. Our journey through the north is nearly complete. In part 3, we will ascend to the highest peaks of the Pyrenees and explore the Mediterranean gems of the east. Join us for the final leg of our Spanish walking tour. Until then, keep exploring. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.